Now, when it comes to crypto analysis, a lot is objective, but some is subjective. And I believe that this take right here is rather subjective. That Zcash's price is losing structure, and the chart is getting uncomfortable. Now, clearly, everybody's got a different risk tolerance. Everybody's got a different opinion on what looks good, what looks bad, and so on. And we're going to be going over it in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for understanding that YouTube has recently been cracking down on crypto. So with that, we got to be as careful as possible. This is simply a general discussion about cryptocurrency, Zcash, and some other tokens. It is not in any way a promise, promotion, recommendation, or guarantee about anything that is yet to come. So we're going to jump right into the article here and talk about Zcash's price losing structure and the chart getting uncomfortable. Now, everybody has different levels of risk appetite, and they can deal with volatility and so on, but this chart does not look uncomfortable to me. As a matter of fact, we can see that, yeah, Zcash has come off those recent highs, and it's been hitting some lower highs since rallying towards $750 per coin. Oh, I don't know exactly what day this was. We got to minimize that right there. Come over here. Beginning of November, about November 6th. And after that, it has hit some lower highs, some lower lows, and it was below the moving averages. Today, however, Zcash is breaking back up out of the wedge. It is breaking back up above the levels of the moving averages, and it is looking very strong. And it is doing so as the overall market is trying to find a bottom. Now, to me, I might have a little bit more of an optimistic outlook than the analyst that wrote this headline here, but nonetheless, to me, that looks promising. Now, he goes on to say that Zcash's price has been steady loss structure that makes the chart hard to ignore. On the 1 hour time frame, Zcash's price is drifting lower after failing to hold key areas that previously acted as support. The move lines up closely with the technical framework posted by that analyst who has been tracking the subtle shifts in Zcash's microstructure long before the latest weakness became obvious. Zcash's price recently traded around $411 per coin after spending days compressing into a tight range. Earlier attempts to push higher stalled, and each bounce started to lose strength. The slow loss of momentum matters, and according to the analyst, Zcash's price already lost alignment with its short and long-term trend structure before the latest dip into lower support zones. Now, a 1 hour time frame for me is way too short of a period to look at. Clearly, you can go out there, and it does depend on your, I guess, goals. Okay, longer term, you don't want to look at the hourly chart. Very short term, yeah, you can look at the hourly chart there. So maybe that's the difference that we're seeing, because I see Zcash ready to break back out to the upside. I see it breaking back up above the moving averages and breaking back up above this trend line as it tests horizontal resistance around $450 per coin. So I continue to accumulate, and one of the places that I own Zcash is on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. So you guys get a link for that down in the description if you want to check it out there. And do not forget to diversify. Bitcoin Hyper has been an excellent opportunity for me over the last couple of months. They're building a layer 2 blockchain that is going to revolutionize utility for Bitcoin. Guys, I own Bitcoin, right? And it takes forever to transact. It's like 54 minutes to buy some Bitcoin on the blockchain, which is a very, very long time. So if you're interested in learning more, you get a link down in the description for Bitcoin Hyper. You can learn all about how the layer 2 works and so on. But some of the most impressive parts, $29.7 million raised at a time when everybody has been extremely fearful, and 115 buyers in the last 24 hours on thin volume. Right? We're sitting between Christmas and New Year's. It's incredible that 115 people have poured in to buy Bitcoin Hyper during a period of time, typically, that doesn't see much action. So stay excited, stay optimistic. Let me know what you guys end up deciding down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.